Hello, I'm Mrs. Jim. You're welcome to the classroom. In our last class, we learned about homophones. We learned what homophone is, examples of homophones, and why we should know what homophone is. This class is a continuation of the last class. So if you were not in the class, please try and watch my video on homophone. So homophones are words that are pronounced the same way, but they have different meaning and different spelling. Homophones are words that sound the same, but they are spelled differently and they mean different things. In this class, we would have exercises on homophones. You're going to be picking the right homophone for each sentence. So our first class work is, here we have two homophones. Can you see? N-O, no. K-N-O-W, no. Do you know her? Which of these no's should be here? You have few seconds to give your answer. Should it be this or this? If you said K-N-O-W, you answered correctly. K-N-O-W is the right no. This no is for when you don't mean yes. That is not what the sentence is all about. Our next class work is, in this second class work, we have the homophone C and C. S-E-E-C, S-E-A-C. Let's see tomorrow. Which of these C should be here? Is it this or this? If you said S-E-E-C, you answered correctly. C is the right word for this sentence. Let's see tomorrow. S-E-E-C. This is homophone. This is dear. D-E-E-R. And this is also pronounced dear. D-E-A-R. The sentence is, I saw a deer at a zoo. Is it this deer or this deer? What is the right answer? If you said D-E-E-R, you're correct. Deer. D-E-E-R is an animal. So you saw a deer in a zoo. Cannot be this. This is another homophone. New, new. K-N-E-W, new. N-E-W, new. Which of them should be here? I have a new pen. Which of these should be here? If you have said N-E-W, you're correct. I have a new pen. This new is talking about something that is not old. So the answer will be N-E-W. I have a new pen. This is another homophone. T-O-O-2, T-W-O-2. Now let's read the sentence. I have two cups. Which of these should be here? Is it T-O-O-2 or T-W-O-2? What's your answer? If you said T-O-O, you're wrong. The answer is T-W-O-2. Here we are talking of number and not also, which would be this. So we are talking of number and this should be the answer. T-W-O-2. This is, I have two cups. answer will be TWO, 2. Can you see the benefit of knowing your homophones? It makes you to think. It makes you to know more words. It makes you to think. You have to think, which of them should I choose? Knowing your homophones makes you to write correctly. You won't write this here, otherwise the statement will be wrong. It won't make sense. It helps you to communicate well. You see why you should know your homophones. They are very, very important so that you can write correctly and whoever is reading would understand. In this classwork, we have 2 spaces to fill. So the first here is DOG, dog, DUG, dog. Liam, dog, are big. Which of these should be here? This is dog, an animal. This is dog past for dig. So Liam, dog, are big. So we write DUG, dog. Liam, dog, are big. This is another homophone. HOLE, WHOLE. Which hole should be here? Liam, dog, a big hole. Is it this or this? Your answer is this. You answered correctly. This hole means a pit. So Liam, dog, a big hole. It cannot be this. This is another homophone. This is MAIL, male, MALE, male. Every male should sit. Which should we write here? Is it this MAIL or MALE? You see, homophones make you to think. And homophone helps you to write correctly. If your answer is this, that would be wrong because this means letters and messages. You can't tell letters and messages to sit. But this is male, MALE. It means a boy, a man. So the answer should be MALE. Every male should sit. MALE is the answer. This is another homophone. This is son, S-O-N, son. And this is S-U-N, son. She has a son. Which of these should be here? The answer is S-O-N, son, a male child, a boy or a man. S-O-N, son. Now this is the last classwork. We have the homophone rights and right. R-I-G-H-T, right? W-R-I-T-E, right? In this exercise, you're to pick one correct one and put here, another, and write it here. Write the right words. Which of these should be here? If you say R-I-T-E, you're correct. Because R-I-T-E means using a pen to form words to write. So this is W-R-I-T-E, right. Write the right words. This has to do with something being correct, and they want you to write the correct words. This should be here. RIGHT. Right. How many did you get correct? If you didn't get all correct, do not worry. Practice and you'll get better at it. See you in the next class.